Hey Cancer, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Y'all, I'm trying to leave it there, but see, I keep talking. It's like you guys are on the same page. And for some of you guys, it could be that children are involved, but for a lot of you guys, the children card came out because this person is very childish, you know. That's why it's time for you to, like, just cleanse your energy. This person gotta go. But we're gonna do a breakdown, and let's see, because, you know, there could be a rainbow on the other side of this storm by you releasing your ex. So let's see. Okay, Spirit, general reading for Cancer, please. All right, let's see what's going on. All right, Cancer, here we go. Bottom of the deck, you guys have the Hermit. So this is telling me that some of you guys could be dealing with a Virgo here. If not, there was a lesson for you to learn. They need you to take a step back to reevaluate some things. Because, yeah, some of you guys definitely got out of a relationship. Some type of commitment, marriage. Could have been dealing with a Taurus, but yeah, you let go of something. It's like you took a step back to reevaluate some things, to see the situation for what it really is, and you realized it was some BS. So, you removed yourself from it. But, with the Knight of Swords in reverse, this is telling me that you're moving really slow to get out of this relationship. So, okay, a lot of you guys have not left. For whoever this is resonating for, you're still dealing with this person. You really haven't walked away. You're moving slow to do so. And it's like, you know you have to do it, but you're holding on. Are you holding on because you guys share kids together? Is it financially related? You know, it's a reason. Somebody's holding on for something. Tell me more. Yeah, okay, and this landed right on top of children. It's like, yeah, you guys still want to have a happy home. You guys don't want to break up your happy family. So for some of you guys who this is resonating for, you definitely have kids with this person. And that's why you're moving slow. That's exactly what it is. Okay. So maybe some of you guys are married, whoever this is resonating for. If not, you're just in a relationship with this individual. But it's like, 1 minute, Cancer, you want to try to build the relationship, you know, back up to where it was once upon a time. But at the same time, because the way things keep playing out, you're like, I don't see myself building with this person anymore. But you guys are looking at the situation like you want things to improve. There's the Queen of Pentacles. Somebody's dealing with an earth sign here. A Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. If not, you guys are representing the Queen of Pentacles, which is telling me that you guys are just really focusing on you. You're trying your best to keep your family together, keep your relationship together. But at the end of the day, you're healing. You're trying to do what's best for you. You're focusing on your money. For some of you guys, yeah, look at this. I just see someone concentrating on finances. You know, maybe you guys are trying to get that together. I do feel like some of you guys are going back to school. Just heard that. But I do feel like, okay, the person that you're trying to walk away from, I feel like they want to come back to give you some type of offer here. Yeah, this person wants to turn things around with you. Sorry, guys. Okay. Making me stretch. Okay. So, yeah, with the World here, and then I have the Sun at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, this person is trying to, like, work things out with you. They want a new opportunity with you. Somebody could possibly want to see you because you make them happy. But the Devil is here. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, so. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. But let's see. Clarify the Devil. See what, y'all, I mean, you... Look at this. No. Cancer, you have got to walk away. This can go vice versa, so just take it however it fits for your situation. But this person that you were dealing with is toxic as hell. They put you in some type of third-party situation. They were being really sneaky. They thought they could have their cake and eat it too. Now, y'all know I say it every time. Third party doesn't have to be another man, another woman. It could be family member, friends. Somebody's interfering, but honestly, for a lot of you guys, I mean, it could be family and friends, but I feel like it's another man or another woman. And this person wanted to have options. They wanted to go out and play the field. They wanted to do them. So now it's like they want to come back to give you this offer, but it's a little offer. You know, it's like, y'all don't, no. That's why, look, you guys are feeling like you're not going to have a new beginning with this person because you're tired of the nonsense. But guess what? You're coming out of being frustrated about it, but this person wants to come back and communicate that, you know, something to you. They love you. They care about you. They want to work it out. Yes, they do. Somebody wants to have a peace of mind here, but there's no balance with this person. Somebody's struggling with their finances as well, but this person wants to take the initiative to come back towards you. They want to take the lead to fix things. Could be dealing with a fire sign, an Aries, a Leo, or a Sagittarius. Y'all see the Three of Swords is trying to jump out. That's why I'm like, I don't trust this offer. Release your ex. Alright, so it's like this person's going to come back. And you're like, okay, you know what? What I thought we once could have had, I don't really see it anymore. And it's because of the fact this person had other options. This person had a lot of toxic behaviors about themselves that it just turned you off. And it's to the point where you're dropping it because you're like, you know what, I don't know what else to do with you. But somebody's speaking up. You could be telling this person this, or this person's going to come back and tell you that they want to be with you, they want to work things out. But communication is definitely coming in here. But Cancer, you're not positive about this person. And I feel like you're just ready to move on with your life. This person wants to move forward with you, but you're like, you know what? I don't have time for the nonsense. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius here, but somebody's trying to have hope that things are going to work out. Could be dealing with a Virgo, but there was a lesson for you to learn here, Cancer. So they need you, again, to take a step back to reevaluate some things. Because you were supposed to learn something here. And once you do, things will improve for you. You know, whether that's putting your foot down, setting boundaries with this person, not letting them back in so easily, standing up more for yourself. Yeah, look at that. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, an Aries, a Leo, or a Sagittarius. But you guys are just, again, you're not positive about this person. Look at that. They definitely put you in a three-party situation. Somebody's mother could be involved here. A motherly figure, but somebody's in the way. Somebody's dealing with an Aries here, but at the end of the day, you're just looking for stability in your life. And this person ain't it, okay? They're not it. It's just, they're playing too many games. You don't have time for that. So, you're coming out of being frustrated, and you're realizing that something needs to come to an end so that something new can begin, because there's unrequited love here. Could be dealing with a Scorpio, but yeah, this person definitely left you out in the cold. And now they want to come back to give you some type of truth. Somebody's dealing with a Pisces here, but yeah, maybe they want to tell you that, hey, you know, I'm sorry for putting you in this third-party situation, but I let it go. I want to move forward with you. I mean, there are all the water signs right there, so somebody's definitely dealing with some water. Like, it's some water here, okay? But yeah, so somebody's ready to move forward. Definitely could be dealing with a Cancer. Somebody made a decision, but they're in their head about it. Somebody's stuck. It's a lot of mental conflict. Somebody's feeling like a situation has been lost. They don't know what to do. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but it's like, I feel like somebody wants to try to balance things out with you. But when you look at them, you feel like there's no balance here because they've been playing games all along. And so right now, you're just focusing on your work. You're throwing yourself into getting your finances up. This person wants to come back to put in the work to fix things with you. But again, you don't know if you can trust them. But the truth is coming out. Ooh, with the King of Pentacles. Okay, this person is coming back to give you an offer of commitment. This is a strong offer here. So they could literally be telling you guys that I'm done playing games. I want to be with you. I'm sorry for everything that I did. But it's just something about this offer, Cancer. Could be dealing with an earth sign. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Yeah. You guys are feeling like you're not going to have a victory with this person. Or maybe they're feeling like they're not going to have a victory with you because they messed up. It's like 1 minute somebody made a decision, the next minute they're undecided about what to do. Cancer, you feel like you got stabbed in the back here. And that's why you're frustrated, you know? You're frustrated because this person hurt you. You really cared about this person. You really want to make this situation work. I feel like this other individual is in their head because they really want to be with you, but they're scared that when they come in to give you this offer, you're going to turn them down. Yep, you were the one doing everything in this relationship. You know, and it's like you're weighing up some options or trying to figure out if you should just drop it. There's definitely going to be an ending here, but somebody's trying their best to hold on because of the connection here. Oh, we're not doing that. What just happened? Okay, let's start that again. Oh my gosh. Okay, so anyway, somebody's ready to take a leap. They're ready to start over elsewhere. Yeah, they're trying their best not to look back at what happened in the past. But yeah, somebody wants a commitment here. They just don't have the strength to go through with it again. You could be dealing with a Leo, but somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. It's like this person definitely caused an imbalance in the relationship. But it's like 1 minute, Cancer, you're using your intuition when it comes to this person, but the next minute you're not. They're saying that it's like you know what you have to do. You have to get out of this situation. Like I said, if you guys are married, you guys are thinking about getting out of a marriage. Somebody could be getting out of some type of legal situation. Or it's just saying the truth is coming out. But it's like you guys know what you're supposed to be doing. You're not happy at all with this person. But you're coming out of being frustrated about it. But, I mean, you cannot make this up. There's two people here. That's why they're saying you're not using your intuition because you're trying to keep things together. You know, whether you have a family with this person or simply because you just care and love this person and you're really just wanting to make it work. But there's still two people here. Somebody hasn't made a decision. Like, okay, this person wants to come back in to fix things with you, but why do I still see two people here? So, you know, somebody could be dealing with an air sign. Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But let's just, you know, flip the script for a second. Because let's just say these two people here, it's the same person, right? The one that messed up, that wants to come back in. They don't want you to walk away from them.